Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your investments with Square Incorporated, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your investments with Square Incorporated, begin by understanding the company's fundamentals. Research Square Incorporated's business model and market position. Familiarize yourself with the services they provide, including payment processing and point-of-sale solutions. Analyze their recent financial performance and quarterly earnings reports. Look for trends in revenue growth and profit margins. Next, evaluate the overall market conditions that could impact Square Inc. Monitor economic indicators, such as consumer spending and technology trends. Set clear investment goals based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. Determine whether you are looking for long-term growth or short-term gains. Consider diversifying your investment to minimize risk. Look into using a mix of stocks, bonds, and ETFs related to Square Inc. Stay updated on regulatory changes that may affect the financial technology sector. Follow news related to Square Inc. and its competitive landscape. Join investment forums and communities to engage with other investors. Utilize investment tools and platforms for real-time updates and analysis. Set alerts for significant price changes or news related to Square Inc. Regularly review your investment portfolio to assess performance. Rebalance your portfolio if necessary to align with your investment strategy. If needed, consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. Continue educating yourself about investment strategies and market analysis. By staying informed and proactive, you can effectively protect your investments with Square Inc. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.